guys let me know when you got speed, right?
Let's tip this down a skosh. Oh, it's
I'm rolling.
as far as it's gonna
Okay.
skosh. I'm rolling.
All right. So I'm gonna have you just give me your name and spell the first name and last name so we get it right when we edit
Okay.
the piece.
Hi, I'm Kunal Srivastava. The first name is spelled Kunal. Last name is Srivastava.
Okay. So if you can, what we're gonna do is you say you can give me your name again and the department you work for and the award that your team won.
Hi, I'm Kunal Srivastava. I work in the systems department, in the System Dynamics and Optimization group. Our team won the 2018 IDEA Award on developing a mobile access framework for seamless access, seamless interaction with buildings.
What was that?
Yeah, I might want to read.
Oh, okay, we're gonna do it again. We had some people that kind of stopped and looked.
Mobile app development.
Eric, are you hearing those guys way down there?
Mobile app framework for
No.
seamless building interaction.
Okay. Whenever you feel right, whenever you're good, just we can just start again.
Hi, I'm Kunal Srivastava. I work in the, sorry. Can we-
It's okay.
Sorry, little door. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Kunal Srivastava. I'm a staff scientist in the System Dynamics and Optimization group in the systems department. Our team won the 2018 IDEA Award for mobile app development for seamless interaction with buildings.
So brief description of the award that you won and the project. Just a quick description of the project and the award.
So the award, so should I start? Or?
Should have it on there. Oh, no, that's true.
Is it this bad? Is it on there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoot. Okay. Let's take your lanyard off and we're gonna start again because we didn't.
What off?
you know,
This?
Yeah.
Your lanyard was on.
Sorry, we usually have people remove those. Good catch, Eric.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let's do that first piece again.
With the name spelling?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you don't mind. Sorry.
Sure. Hi, I'm Kunal Srivastava. My first name is spelled Kunal. Last name Srivastava.
Okay. So just give me a name and the department and the award that your team won.
Hi, I'm Kunal Srivastava. I'm a staff scientist in the System Dynamics and Optimization group, and our team won the 2018 IDEA Award for a mobile app development for seamless interaction with buildings.
Great. So what does this device or the system actually do?
So our system basically allows a user it enables more seamless interaction between a user and various components which UTC develops, right? So it could be HVAC, it could be locks, it could be elevators. So all of these devices have now communication and sensing abilities, and our app basically allows our app basically senses the context around the device based on the way the user is using it, and allows user to communicate in a more seamless manner with these various devices.
That sounds really cool. Okay. So this technology development, can you tell me why this is really important to the industry?
So the industry in general and the world in general is moving towards a scenario where intelligence is embedded all around us, right? So it's not very obtrusive. It's always in the background, and its examples are the Siri on iPhone and various other Amazon Echo and so on, right? So basically it allows technology to be deployed more widely and more easily with minimal human in the loop sort of operations, right? And it also allows users to interact very effortlessly with our products.
Cool. Sounds really good. So what will this benefit, the benefits of this technology, what will it mean for our customers? How will it benefit them?
So one thing which comes to mind easily is its lower installation and commissioning costs, right? So we are leveraging a lot of capabilities which are already built on phones, right? So the phones these days have a lot of compute capability, and there's a lot of open source and other algorithms available which can be deployed on the phone very easily, so that you're cutting off all the cost involved with installing, developing batches, installing your own detection algorithms, and deploying it, on devices. So a lot of these things are becoming much more easier to be done on the phone itself, right? So installation cost goes down, deployment cost goes down. The phone has access to a lot more sensors, so it's a lot more aware of how the user is interacting with the device. That information can be used to improve the product, to fix shortcomings, to develop cross-cutting capabilities, right? So you have one app which enables you to talk to a lock. It can also be used to talk to elevator, to set temperature set points to match your comfort, and so on, right? So it's basically serving multiple purposes, right? And UTC, when we own products in all these different areas, so it basically allows us to serve as one point and boost our efficiency in all of these areas.
Excellent. So it's kind of like Internet of Things, kind of.
Yeah.
That's all, you can keep going through, that's
Yep.
fine.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Oh, okay.
so this technology or development, what does it mean for UTRC and UTC as a whole?
So for UTRC, this technology basically allows us to, build our capabilities in machine learning and on-device machine learning, right? So we have had various projects which are working towards this, and this basically allows us to develop technologies which directly impact our business units, right? And that's the UTRC's main goal, right? And in this project, we could show that we started from some ideas which really started at a very low TRL level, and we could mature them so that now they are going to be deployed and actually being deployed in products, right? So.
Excellent. Excellent. So this technology or advancement, how is it disruptive to the industry?
So it's disruptive to the industry mainly in the ways that I mentioned before, right? That there is one app which allows you to interact with multiple devices, right? There is no separate development for different devices and so on, right? And as well as the app itself is gathering, or it can understand the context it's been used in, right? So traditionally, if you have your badge or anything, people have a hard time. There is no mechanism for tracking how a building is being used by the people there, and so on. But this app can measure context around it more in a more seamless way, and that way it boosts. It cuts down a lot of barriers, right, between the user and the device, basically.
Excellent. All right. Is there anything else on this project or device that we didn't talk about that you want to put up there, throw out there, or I think you got it covered?
Just one point to note again from the team perspective is basically this project showed the importance role of ERD and internal funding and BU collaboration, because throughout the life of this project, all of these sources played an important role in the development, right? So we had ideas which were matured through government funding. We had ideas which were matured through internal and BU funding, right? And also spread across UTRC, East Hartford, China, and Ireland, right? So interaction among different people with different backgrounds and different capabilities, and I think everything kind of came together so that we could deliver a well-functioning system to our customers.
One last thing, and how proud is the team to win this award?
The team is really proud. Some of us didn't even know that we had applied for it, right? So it came like a real surprise for some of us, right? And for some of us, it's the first time we've won this, so it's a super proud moment.
Awesome. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
You want me to roll?
Yeah.